Hello, fundamental Kaizen masterclass family. This is Apostle Cryptoshi. I just want to take you through the new the newly updated MT5 and how to use it, how to set up the limits, take profit and stop losses. So this is for demonstration purposes. It's not a financial advice. So what you see here, it's educational purposes. I'm gonna go ahead and open Euro USD. This is actually on the iPhone, so I'm not sure about other operating system like Android. So you're gonna come and click here, select trade, and then as you can see, the new interface is here. You can actually pull it, and then you see even the current ticks. So now, how you gonna be trading this? You will be seeing the volume, just as you can see there, and then the lots. So this is where you're going to be changing your lots. So if you want to increase or decrease, you will just come here, and then you put 0.10, and then you do like that. And then whether you want the margin or the lots, preferably it's lot sizes. All right, and then you see this symbol here that I'm currently pressing. This is where you're gonna come to set your stop losses, add stop losses. So you see on your left, you got take profit. So you're going to look at the take profit. Sorry about that. You're gonna look at take profit, and then you will come here. If you are a buying, you're gonna use 118.250. So that's just me. And then my stop loss is gonna be 117. You look at the current price, it's just gonna be 00. And then I've already, let me try to use 0.01. Maybe it will work. So because I'm already running out of margin. All right, so when it's gonna hit 117, I'm gonna lose $1 or $2. But okay, so, and then my comment will be fundamental Kaizen AI, because I'm using the AI. I only use the manual so that I can demonstrate to you, and then I'm gonna click on buy. It didn't go through because I'm already running out of margin. So, but basically that's how you use it. So the new interface shouldn't really be an obstacle for you. So I wish you well, man.